Achoo, bless you. Now let's get you sneezing like a pro. Sneezing, it's more than just a reflex, it's an art form. Step 1. Find a sneeze-friendly environment. You don't want to startle your cat or freak out your coworkers. Next, the build-up. Feel that tingle in your nose? Take a deep breath in, and let the anticipation grow. This is your moment. Now, the release. Let it out with gusto. If you're gonna sneeze, sneeze with style. And don't forget to cover your mouth. Nobody likes a spray zone. For the grand finale, accept your applause, or just the relief of a good sneeze. Remember, practice makes perfect. So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, make it count. And hey, if you enjoyed this quirky little guide, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on mastering life's little moments. Until next time, keep sneezing fabulously.